Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a recap of everything we taught at our slow dancing class last month when we covered hustle. So we taught 4-count hustle and 3-count hustle. We're initially only going to talk about 4-count hustle because that's going to be a nice easy way to show you all the material we did. So the basic rhythm was 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 steps. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. That was back without really weighting it. We put the weight back onto the front foot for 2, under in place for 3 and 4. So our basic was exactly that, holding 2 hands. So our basic went 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we did our rotating basic. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we did an outside turn where we went 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we did an inside turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we did a closing in motion. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, collecting so we could do a basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And opening back out could be called a slingshot. 1, 2, 3, 4. We did a leader's turn where we went 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We did a cuddle, so we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We did a hammerlock, so we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we did a whip, where we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from a basic first, we did a grapevine. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back into basic first. We did sliding doors, where we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally a head loop where we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was absolutely everything, except we also did it in 3-count rhythm. So instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, it becomes and 1, 2, 3, which of course means you've got the same number of steps, but over 3 counts instead of 4 counts. And that of course is going to change the feel of all of the moves, but it's exactly the same steps in exactly the same order, but with different timing. And that was the whole thing. So I hope you find that helpful to remind you of everything we did in the classes. And as always, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation is something to practice all this to on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.